Hello everyone, my name is Sylvia Tanku, and today I will show you the basic things you need to know to build your profile and expand your network on LinkedIn. At the end of this video, you will know what LinkedIn is, how to build an effective LinkedIn profile, and how to expand your professional network. The point of social media is to allow people to interact with each other using the internet. Categories of social media include social networking, and LinkedIn is one of those, microblogging, photo sharing, and video sharing. LinkedIn is a business and employment-oriented service used for professional networking, including employers posting jobs and job seekers posting their CVs. Next, a few nice-to-know facts about LinkedIn. It was launched in 2003 and it has 562 million users in 200 countries. 54% of users are male and 46% female. 2 new users register every second. Including a profile photo has really cool effects, like 36 times more chances for you to receive messages from other users and 21 times more profile views. Users enjoy various posts by liking, commenting, and sharing. Here are the 10 most overused words on LinkedIn, found especially in users' profiles. Try to avoid these words directly. Instead, write sentences that reflect these attributes. For example, instead of saying that you are experienced in a field, indicate the number of years you have worked in that field. This is a chart with the top 5 most followed LinkedIn members, with Richard Branson of Virgin Atlantic being in the first place with 8.7 million followers. These individuals are part of the influencer program, which accepts members by invitation only. They create content such as articles and posts that inspire and generate further discussions within the network. The quality of your LinkedIn profile has a high influence on your personal branding. When your branding is effective, you stand out and create an enduring perception in the minds of other professionals. And your profile consists of basic features and other elements that make you stand out. Any LinkedIn profile must include a photo, a headline, a summary, work experience, and education. These features will offer that first impression about you that lasts forever. Your profile photo must be of you, ideally with your head occupying about 60% of the photo. The headline ideally should indicate what you do and what you want to do or plan to do career-wise. The summary area is where you indicate what you do to help others or how you contributed to the success of your company. You can also showcase your skills by indicating tools or applications that you use to perform your job. You can also add media items right here, like presentations, photos, or links to other websites. The work experience area shows the history of your employment. If possible, link each job to the company profile on LinkedIn. Also, have an overview before diving into that bullet point list of responsibilities. For past jobs, use past tense, and for the current position, use present tense. Showcase your academic level in the education section. This way, you make yourself easier to find. You may also be able to reconnect with and even collaborate with a past schoolmate. Features that make you stand out are skills, endorsements, accomplishments, your URL, background photo. Endorsements from other people act like backup for the claims you make in the experience section, while accomplishments may include languages, awards, and certifications. There is an option to customize your URL, and it looks like this. And this makes you easier to be found, especially when many people tend to Google search your name. A customized URL usually denotes a tech-savvy person and someone who pays attention to detail. Another way to enhance your profile is to include a background photo. This photo should connect in some way with what you do, with your accomplishments as a professional, or it can include an inspiring quote. Now that you have an all-star profile, your next step is to expand your professional network. And the easiest way is to use the search bar. Once you search for a name, a list will display and you can click the connect button to connect with that person. You will find My Network feature right here in the top menu bar, and here you have the option to click connect to connect with a person, or you may take the elegant approach and click on their profile so you can personalize your invitation. So when you click on their profile and you open it, you click on the connect button within that profile and you'll have a pop-up like this where you can personalize your invitation before sending it out. And studies are showing that a person will be more likely to respond to an invitation that is personalized than to a generic one. And the rule of the thumb is when you're inviting somebody to connect, you should include a compliment, a thank you note, or you can remind them of the circumstances in which you have met. Now, there is more to LinkedIn than creating a professional profile, networking, and sharing content. For more information on how to navigate and use other areas on LinkedIn, you can access the help page, and you don't necessarily have to be signed in to read this area of LinkedIn. And with this, I have completed my agenda on how to use LinkedIn to create a profile and expand your professional network. Feel free to post questions and feedback in the comments area. Thank you very much for watching.